Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to discuss on simplifying rational algebraic expressions. Example number 1. 6x plus 3y over 9. So, the numerator here, we can factor out 3 because 6 and 3 are divisible by 3. So, we can have that one as 3 times the quantity of 2x plus y. Then, this is over 9. You can have that 9 as 3 times 3. So, in this case, we can simply eliminate 3. So, 3 divided by 3 is 1. So, we can have our answer as 1 times 2x plus y. It will be 2x plus y. Then, divided by 1 times 3, it will be 3. Number 2, 21a cubed b cubed divided by negative 28a to the power of 4 b to the power of 5. So in here, 21 and negative 28 are divisible by 7. We can factor 21 in terms of 7. So we can have 21 as 3 times 7. And you can have 28 as negative 4 times 7. So our purpose here is we're going to eliminate a factor. Then this is a cubed. Then a to the power of 4, we can express this one as a cubed times a. A cubed times a is a to the power of 4. Then b cubed. Then we have here in the denominator b to the power of 5. So we have here b cubed, so we can just express b to the power of 5 in terms of b cubed. So we can have b to the power of 5 as b cubed times b squared. Then next thing to do is we're going to eliminate or cancel out similar terms from the numerator and denominator because that will be equal to 1. So we are going to have here 7 and 7, a cubed and a cubed. Then we're going to have here b cubed and b cubed. So our answer will be, for the numerator, the remaining number here is 3. Then this will be over. In the denominator, we're going to have here negative 4, then times a, then times b squared. So this will be your answer. Number 3, x squared plus 5x plus 4 divided by x squared minus 2x minus 3. Now, what we are going to do here is we're going to factor the numerator and denominator and see if there are similar terms. And if there is, you can just simply eliminate or cancel out the terms. So, for the numerator, x squared plus 5x plus 4, if we're going to factor that one, so we're going to look for the factors of 4, in which if we're going to add the 2, the answer will be 5. So, the factor here should be x plus 4 times the quantity of x plus 1. 4 times 1 is 4. It will be the constant term. Then 4 plus 1 is 5, the numerical coefficient of x. Then if we're going to have the denominator, x squared minus 2x minus 3. So we're going to find two factors of negative 3, in which if we're going to add the 2, the result will be negative 2. And those factors will be x minus 3 times x plus 1. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3, and negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2, the numerical coefficient of x. So in here, in the numerator, we have x plus 1, and in the denominator, we also have x plus 1, so we can just simply cancel out these terms. So our answer will be x plus 4 over x minus 3. Then our last example here, number 4, a squared minus 7a plus 12 over a squared minus 9. So the same with number 3, we're going to factor the numerator and the denominator. So for the numerator, a squared minus 7a plus 12, we can have the factors as a, then this is 12 here, so we're going to have factors of 12 in which the sum of the two is negative 7, so that will be negative 4 and negative 3. So a minus 4 times the quantity of a minus 3 divided by the factors of a squared minus 9, so this is just the sum and difference of two terms. So we're going to have here a plus 3 times the quantity of a minus 3. Then have a minus 3 in the numerator and in the denominator. So we're going to cancel out these terms here. So our answer will be a minus 4 over a plus 3. I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below, and see you next time.